Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will learn and discuss about the latest EPFO process where UAN can now be generated through UMANG app directly by the employee. Earlier, employers were responsible for initiating UAN generation at the time of joining. However, under the updated EPFO process, employees themselves must now generate their UAN directly using Aadhaar and complete place authentication on the UMANG app. This shift ensures transparency, reduces dependency on employers, and standardizes the process across organizations. Once the UN is generated, it is also activated immediately in the same process, allowing employees to create login credentials, access PF services without waiting. The employer's role is now limited to linking the UN with the employee's PF account number after it has been generated. This makes employee-led UAN generation mandatory, not optional, for all new members entering the Provident Fund system. Wasting no time, let's get into the video and understand how to generate UAN by the employee directly. Before getting into the video in detail, let us understand what all topics will be covered in this video. What is UAN? We will first understand what exactly UAN and why it is important for every employee. Then we need to discuss what are the basic requirements you need before generating the UAN. Then we will learn how to register on UMANG app to start the process. After that, we will discuss how to apply UAN allotment through the UMANG app. We will also cover how to complete Aadhaar based face authentication easily. Then we will see how to review and submit your details for final approval. And finally, we will find out how your UAN generated and is sent through via SMS. Before that, let's understand what exactly UAN is. UAN stands for Universal Account Number. It is a special number given by EPFO to every employee who contributes EPF. This UAN is a unique 12-digit number that belongs to you throughout the career. Even if you switch jobs, your UAN stays the same, only the PF account number changes for each company. All your PF accounts from different companies are connected under one UAN for easy tracking. With one UAN, you can easily transfer or withdraw your PF money online, making the whole process transparent and hassle-free. So friends, hope you understood what UAN is. Now let's get into the second part, that is, what are the requirements for UAN generation. You must have a valid Aadhaar number to generate your UAN. Then you should have a mobile number which is linked with Aadhaar to receive OTP for verification. Then you should have a smartphone to install and use UMANG and Aadhaar Face RD apps. Then you should download and install UMANG app from the Play Store to access EPFO services. Then you also need to install Aadhaar Face RD app. It helps in completing face authentication during the UAN process. So friends, wasting no time, let's get into the practical part of the video, how to generate UAN by the employee through UMANG app. Step-by-step process of UAN generation by employee. On the right side, you can see the theoretical part. On the left side, you can see the practical part. How to generate UAN by UMANG app. App installation. Before starting, install two apps on your smartphone, UMANG app and Aadhaar Face RD app from the Play Store. Once both the apps are downloaded, then you need to install it. UMANG app. This app allows you to access EPFO services like UAN generation, claim status and balance check. Then Aadhaar Face RD app. This app is required for face verification using your Aadhaar details during UAN generation. Now as both the apps are downloaded and installed, now you need to do the registration of UMANG app. Here you need to click on Get Started. Enter the mobile number and click on Send OTP. OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Here you need to agree the terms and conditions, then enter the OTP and then click on Submit. Once this is done, you will be directed to UMANG account MPIN. Here you need to generate 6 digits MPIN number. Once that is generated, you will be logged into UMANG app. After login, search for EPFO in UMANG app and select UAN allotment and activation option. Then you will be directed to UAN allotment activation. Here you need to enter your Aadhaar number and mobile linked with the Aadhaar to proceed further. Now you need to enter the OTP and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After OTP verification, the app will automatically direct to the Aadhaar Face RD app for facial verification. Here you can see that before your face scan, you need to read and understand the guidelines for face authentication. After reading, click on OK. Then you will be directed to the Aadhaar Face RD page where you need to show your face for face authentication. Now look into the camera, blink as instructed and complete the face scan. This confirms your identity. Once verified, your UAN will be generated instantly and you will receive a SMS which need to be shared with your HR team for PF linking. Now you can log into EPFO member portal using UAN and access all PF related services easily. So friends, with this new EPFO rule, UAN generation is now a mandated step handled directly by the employees through UMANG app using Aadhaar based face authentication. By completing this process, you can not only create and activate your UAN instantly, but also gain immediate access to PF services, making your Provident Fund management simpler and more transparent. So friends, hope you understood in detail about the UAN generation through UMANG app by the employees. If you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.